I know you are waiting for the Jio Glass unboxing, but as you know, it was just announced on 15th July and wasn't available for public right now. So we decided to take a virtual unboxing of the Jio Glass. Hello and welcome guys, we are today going to do a virtual unboxing for a Jio Glass, where we talk about what we get inside the box of the Jio Glass. So let's don't wait anymore and directly dive in. So the first thing we could expect in the Jio Glass is its box. Just kidding. The first thing we could see is the hard case. The hard case is really one of the most important thing for your headset because it protects your headset. The current headset like Nreal comes with the hard case, but many other headset like Oculus Quest or Pico Neo 2 headset won't come up with the case. It was a 50-50% chance you will get the case. Why I am saying there is only 50%? Because of its cost. The headset will cost you around $200, which means 40,000 rupees in India. And getting a hard case at this cost has a really little possibility. But if you are purchasing the Jio Glass, then surely buy a hard case because it will protect your headset during travel or even in the home. Second thing we will get is the headset itself, which is 100% sure. As you know, from the Reliance Jio event, the headset weight is 75 gram, which is really light, and you don't find any problem wearing it because of its lighter weight. Now the question is why its weight is only 75 gram, not even 100 gram? That is because there is no processing unit in it. Because the Jio Glass is totally going to depend upon the processing of your mobile device. Let's move to the third item, which is going to be a remote, or you can also say the controller device, which is also a 50-50% chance. Because in the Oculus device you will get controller to navigate inside the device, but the thing is there is no need of an extra controller here, because ultimately the glass is going to be connected with your mobile, so you can also navigate the device through the mobile touch screen. The fourth thing, possibly you will get a lens frame. Lens frame is very important for people who have eye prescriptions and use lenses. So a lens frame will help people who wear glasses. You have to put your lens in the frame with the help of opticians. It is kinda important for people who wear glasses because you cannot wear two glasses at the same time. Getting one more pair of lens will also cost you extra. Fifth thing you will get is a nose bridge. Basically a nose bridge helps the glass to get placed comfortably on your nose. Sixth one is going to be a connecting cable, which is also a 50-50 because there is a max chance that the cable is already permanently connected to one side of the Jio Glass, where the other side you need to connect in your phone. Most probably the cable would be C-type because new phones are coming with the C port type. So if you are still using a micro USB port, then you need a C-type connector. These are 6 things you may get inside the box. Now let's talk more about the Jio Glass headset. You already know the weight is 75 gram, which is really light. The display is going to be high resolution because the 3D models are going to get display on glass, so clarity is really very important. You will also get an audio system inbuilt into the glass on both sides of the glasses, but it is debatable how the audio quality is going to feel like. Is it bad or is going to be good? The only way to find out is to get the Jio Glass and test it out. This you already know that the Jio Glass is a mixed reality glass. Mixed reality is a combination of augmented reality and virtual reality, AR and VR. You can attend a meeting now with these glasses or you can watch a movie on it. For students, this will be useful for education purpose because now a student can attend online classes with it. The overall story is that you will get some really good benefits with the Jio Glass. With this Jio Glass, you will also get 25 plus applications. The applications are going to be some different types. The 25 apps I found on XRDI YouTube channel, which are these. The app will include Reliance online marketplace to buy groceries, Jio Cinema platform where you can watch movies, Jio Savan app for music, some games and some educational apps. The company behind these Jio glasses is Tesseract Imaging, which was acquired by Reliance for the GeoGlass research and production. With this, we end this video. If you have learned something new today, then like this video and please subscribe to my channel to get some more detailed video about augmented reality and virtual reality. So guys, thank you for your time. Peace out.
Now, for an exciting next demo, I would like to invite Kiran onto the screen.
Thank you, Akash. JioFiber has been enabling world-class connectivity at home with collaboration and entertainment solutions for everyone. We went a step further this year to make sure that these digital interactions felt even more real, where people can not only see each other face to face, but also feel the presence of the other person in the same room, despite being physically away. So let me show you our latest innovation, the JioGlass. JioGlass comes with a convenient cable that you can attach to your phone and thus connect to the internet. The JioGlass weighs only 75 grams and is at the cutting edge of technology that provides the best-in-class mixed reality services to give you a truly meaningful and immersive experience. We have paid special attention to the graphics so that the JioGlass users get the highest class visual experience. And on the audio front, we have pioneered a spatial and personalized audio system without having any accessories attached. This audio system supports all the standard audio formats. Let me now deep dive into JioGlass's services. JioGlass already supports more than 25 applications. In times of COVID-19, our way of working and workspace has now completely changed, and digital collaboration has seen an exponential growth. We can now completely reimagine this in the mixed reality space. With JioGlass, you could be sitting at home and join a meeting in your office with your colleagues in 3 dimensions. Let me show you how this works with a holographic video call with Akash and Isha. Hello, Jio. Please call Akash and Isha.
Hey, Kiran.
Hey there. How are you, Akash? I have Akash in the form of a 3D avatar, and it feels like he's standing in front of me.
Hi, Kiran.
Hi, Isha. And Isha has joined us in a 2D video call format from her home. JioGlass allows smooth collaboration across devices and platforms to ensure we stay connected, no matter where we are. And while you're chatting with your colleagues, you can also share presentations that you will be able to view and present on a large virtual screen in any virtual environment you want with the help of JioGlass. Not only that, you can also have design discussions and deliberations by sharing 3D assets and holograms with your colleagues. The COVID-19 pandemic has prompted one of the most important applications in the immersive space, which is education. JioGlass is making teachers and students come together in 3D virtual rooms and conduct holographic classes through our Jio Mixed Reality Cloud in real time. We can literally travel to the bylanes of Agra and immerse ourselves in the wonderful architecture of the Taj Mahal, or the pyramids of Giza in Egypt, or the Colosseum in Rome. With JioGlass, the traditional way of learning geography will now be history. Okay, I need to get back to the AGM, so I'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.